Guys, we got a beast in here today. 2019 Audi RS5 Quattro. Yeah, Quattro. Fully customized, full body kit, sexy wheels, Brembo brakes. Really beautiful car, guys. Two-door coupe, just sexy car. It's got a custom system on it, as you guys can see. We wanted to show it to you guys. It's got down pipes on each side. I think high flow cat's up there somewhere. Then he brought it in and it had two resonators. I don't know the name of the system that's on it, but it's a custom system. It's a valve system. And he wanted us to add two resonators in that he brought because it was way too loud for him inside the cab. It droned. It sounds really phenomenal outside, but it drones a lot inside, as you guys can see. So it's true dual all the way into the middle, and then it's got, and it goes back down and then it goes back out, as you guys can see there. I don't know why they did that, I guess for performance, but here it is. It's a custom system on each side. It's got valves on it too. So it's a valve system that you can open and close. And it's got a crazy tip design. Look at that tip, they're massive, guys. Look how big the tips are. They are literally like, there's my hand. It fits in there. They're like 6-inch tips on each side. There you go. There you go. Fully customized all the way. There is no brand name, nothing on these mufflers, so I cannot tell you what it is. There's the valves on it there and there. But I don't know what brand the muffler system is. But it's fully stainless steel all the way back, as you guys can see. Sexy interior, custom suede. Look at that. Even the steering wheel is cut. It's just custom all the way around, guys. It's so cool. I like it. That's with the valves open, guys. Cold start. Cold start at 91. Here you go. 111. It hit 115 earlier. Look at Colts. Look at just the startup. 118 again. That is crazy. Close the valve. There's a clicker in there. And this is with the valves closed. Still got a barbell to it. So it's not bad. Here's sound decibels again. That bites it down drastically. Again. There's that pop. Oh, it's so beautiful. Again. Here's 150. Nice. Go ahead and back it out. Look at that pop. I love it. It's like a shotgun going off. See the stance on it, guys, right? It's so nice. Is that with it closed? This is with the valves closed, guys. Again. Open them. Go ahead. That's with them open. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside now. that, guys. So nice. Sun hits it. Sexy. Look at that stance, dude. It's like an R8 almost, but bigger.